Welcome back to my channel. So this is another question under balancing of chemical equation. If you look at the equation, we are asked to find the value of x and y, right? We are asked to find the value of x and y. It's very simple. So the first thing to do when balancing chemical equation, first of all, you write out all the elements at your left side, okay? Also write out all the elements at your right side. So let's start from the left side. So the first element we have is what? Is carbon, right? Carbon. The second one is what? Is hydrogen, right? The third one is what? Is oxygen. So the same step, write all the elements here: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, the elements you see here are the same elements you will see here. Okay, so we have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So the next step is to write out the given atoms. Okay, the given atoms of the subscript. So we have. So let's start from the carbon. You see that carbon we have only X, right? So we have X here. Hydrogen we have Y, right? Put Y. In place of oxygen, oxygen is 8. You will use 4 to multiply these two. So 4 times 2 is 8, okay? 8. We are done with the left side. Let's come to the right side. The first one is carbon, right? So carbon, this tray is affecting both the carbon and the oxygen. Are you getting it? So carbon have 3 atoms here. Hydrogen, hydrogen is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Oxygen, look at oxygen. Oxygen has 6 atoms here. Are you getting it? 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so 6 plus, look at the other oxygen here. This oxygen have 2 atoms. Are you getting it? Here we have only 1 atom here. So 2 times this one will give us what? 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Are you getting it? But in the equation, we are asked to find the value of x and y, right? So let's equate them. Here we have 8. So let's equate them. The first one is carbon, right? So x equal to 3, right? So the value of x is what? Is 3. The second one is what? Which is hydrogen, y equal to 4. Y equal to 4, right? So you see that the values are what? 3 and 4. Are you getting it? So what they are asking you, if you see this type of equation and you are asked to find the value of alphabet, what they are asking you is just to balance the chemical equation. Okay, so in place of x, you put 3. Since x equal to 3, you put 3. In place of y, you put 4. Are you seeing it now? So you see that 3, 3, hydrogen 4, 4, 8, 8. So you see that the equation is now what? Balanced. Okay. So if you come across this type of balancing of chemical equation and you are asked to find the values of alphabet, just use this procedure. I've uploaded other videos. Okay. So after watching this one, you can scroll